Hello friends, welcome to TH channel. We are taking this is the TS spoken English. When you wanted to see the English classes which I am teaching very easily method so that it is possible to understand. Now we are continuing first person singular I. First person singular I. What is the meaning of I? The person who is speaking himself. Otherwise, if the any person is speaking, if the sound is coming from a particular person's mouth, that is called first person singular. If the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is speaking, then he becomes the first person singular. Now see here, I am taking here I I am doctor. I am doctor. I am teacher. Here there are two sentences. ఈ రెండు సెంటెన్స్లు ఉన్నాయి. దీనికి कंबाईन చేసి మనం ఒకటే సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి? एकच सेंटेन्स कशा प्रकारे करता पाहूया. as well as ఏ బి తే బి ఇది కూడా అది కూడా ఏ బి ఓ బి ఇది అది కూడా ఏ అని తే देखील. So combine together. How it is combined? I am doctor. I am doctor as well as teacher. मी डॉक्टर तसेच टीचर आहे. నేను డాక్టర్ అలాగే टीचर కూడా. मैं डॉक्टर साथ ही साथ टीचर भी हूँ. So the combined together, we are combining two sentences coming together, that is called as well as. I am worker as well as director. I am hero as well as director. I am Rahim as well as Ram. I am Sita as well as Gita. I am washerman as well as milkman. If you combine with the help of as well as, that becomes the one sentence. Now friends, you write down as many sentences as possible. You write down many sentences here, not only the single sentence. Now come to the next one. How to write next one? I have told you how. How बोले तो है. HAVE how. How అంటే ఏంటిది? ఉన్నది. ఇది చూపించడానికి మనము have ది ఉపయోగిస్తాము. ఎలా ఉపయోగించాలి how? I have brother. నాకు బ్రదర్ ఉన్నాడు. I have sister. నాకు సిస్టర్ ఉన్నది. ఇప్పుడు as well as तोने ఎలా చేయాలి? as well as घेऊन कसं सेंटेन्स करायचं? I have brother. I have brother as well as sister. నాకు ब्रदर మరియు सिस्टर కూడా ఉంది. मला भाऊ तसेच बहीण आहे. मेरे को भाई और बहन है. I have mother as well as aunt. I have fan as well as cooler. I have white shirt as well as blue shirt. I have white marker as well as blue marker. I have pant as well as shirt. I have friends as well as enemy. I have chair as well as book. I have English book as well as science book. You can make the sentences like this, friends. Now come to the next one. What is the next? You take. I am explaining. What is the meaning of I? First person singular. Here see. Beside. BESIDE. Beside అంటే ప్రక్కకు. Beside అంటే బాజులా. బాజుకు. ప్రక్కకు. బాజులా. I am beside mother. I am beside mother. I am beside father. I am beside liar. I am beside school. I am beside grandfather. I am beside chair. I am beside window. I am beside friend. I am beside enemy. I am beside court. I am beside college. Like this. When you are showing where actually you are, आप कहाँ पर है, నువ్వు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు అది చూపించడానికి డిసైడ్ ఉపయోగిస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లానే ఐ యామ్ నేను, ఐ యామ్ బిసైడ్, ఐ యామ్ బిసైడ్ స్కూల్, నేను స్కూల్ పక్కకు ఉన్నాను. ఐ హ్యావ్, ఐ హ్యావ్ బుక్, मैं स्कूल के बाजू हूँ, मेरे को बुक है. आई एम बिसाइड मदर, आई हैव बैग. आई एम बिसाइड अंकल, आई हैव शर्ट, टी शर्ट. यू कैन से నేను స్కూల్ పక్కకు ఉన్నాను, మీ స్కూల్च्या बाजूला आहे. मैं स्कूल के बाजू हूँ. ఇక్కడ నేను ఉన్నాను, పక్కకున్నాను, నాకు ఉన్నది అనడానికి బిసైడ్ ఉపయోగిస్తారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. బిసైడ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ద ఓన్లీ ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్. The person who is talking, so many students don't know what is they are getting the difficulties while they are talking. That is what I am explaining. What is the first person singular? The first person singular means I. నేను I గురించే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. I am beside board, white board. I have duster. I am beside wall. I have pen. Like this, friends, you make the sentences. You make thousands of sentences here. Not only single sentence. You make thousands of sentences. With this, I am completing. You see last video in the persons, and after that you see the second part in the persons. Now, friends, with this we have completed today's class. Now subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Share with your friends and like it so that I can get encouragement. Thanks, friends.